Alright everyone, welcome back to Time Flies By, and here we have another unboxing. So let's get right into it. This was purchased from a fellow in Kingston, Ontario, Canada. So just a few hours from me in Toronto. And there we go, Timex Hodinkee. Let's see what this is all about. Not my first Timex, but definitely my first collab with Hodinkee. Like a thick waxy paper, it's nice. And here's the watch. So it's that Taipan kind of gray anthracite dial, nice and thin, still cold because it just came from outside. But yeah, so far so good. It's got I think the gentleman put a aftermarket Casio bracelet on there or something similar. It's got that nice taper, still stickered. And this is just because it came out, it's going to have the original battery as well. First friction bezel. So that's kind of cool. Alright. Let's see what else we got in there. Comes on this nice pillow. That's what I was looking for. So this is the original stock bracelet for it. It's like an expansion, like the ones from the 70s. And I can imagine with my hairy wrists that I'm going to be getting a lot of hairs pulled. But hopefully not. Maybe it'll be comfortable. You never know. I don't know if it can be adjusted, but here's a wrist check on my hairy wrists. I got the G-Shock DW5600. And so yeah. So again, pretty cool watch. Oh, you can, looks like you can adjust the links. I'm going to have to learn how to do that. I've never done these ones before. So that's pretty cool. It might even fit me right out of the box. Oh yeah, and this is, like I said, this is a branded Casio, which is nice because I wonder if it's going to fit this watch here. I believe they're all 18mm lug widths, but the taper is a little bit hard to see. Yeah, we'll see how that works. I do know that so this is the Timex Q chronograph. So let's see, this is what I wanted to see. Look at the thickness difference. Wow. This doesn't even wear that thick. It's mostly because of that bubble crystal. But this is going to be super, super slim to wear compared to this one. But yeah, like I said, what I wanted to see was, I believe these bracelets are going to fit. This is a 40mm, this is 38, but it might have that same kind of lug width of 18mm. Let's see, yeah, that looks like it's about equal. So right now I actually have this on the Casio World Timer bracelet, and that's kind of working out nicely because Timex doesn't sell their bracelets separately, which is kind of not cool. And then the bracelet, or the strap that came with this watch, is on my referee timer from Casio, which fits absolutely perfect and I think looks really cool, especially because it matches the countdown timer. And yeah, it's a really, really good fit. So actually, I'm going to try this band on the Hodinkee, and I think the brown and the gray is going to look good together. but that very monochromatic look of this watch is really, really nice. All brushed, some stainless, some polished reliefs, and yeah, so looking pretty good. So far, first impressions are good. That I'm gonna have to get used to. This is my first bezel without any clicks or any, yeah, just first friction bezel. So it's kind of cool. Yeah, let's see if the ticks, the seconds hand is hitting on the markers. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. Sorry, that's my son in the background. My wife just came home from work, so he's going a little crazy. And yeah, so there's my first impressions. I'm gonna try the different bracelets. I'm gonna try the leather, and yeah. So thanks for watching. Very excited to have this because, as I believe, they are sold out. This was an earlier release from 2022, and I don't think I was on the Hodinkee website. I don't think they're available anymore. But yeah, so there it is, side by side. Two Timexes together, and I love these Q reissues. Very, very vintage, and I'm excited to see about the stretch bracelet on how that works. All right, guys, cheers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.